In this video, I want to talk about how you can see the Nifty options chart inside of TradingView. Now to do this, what you should do is open up the super charts, and from in here, click on the symbol, search for Nifty, and you can choose options and simply select the one. Then what you can do is select the call or put and the date, and you will come over here. Now, if you want to see a really specific one, what you can do is you can type this one in. So you want to type Nifty and then the year. So I chose 2025. You only need to put the last two, and then month and date and call or put, call, and then the strike price. So if you type this in up here, so let me just go back and search for this one, press enter. It will now take you to that exact one, and you can see it all from in here. So that is how you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.